wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best wood carving sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The beginner on a budget may want to consider the Kumars SK5. Its 12 pieces include all the chisels and gouges you need to complete your initial project. Plus the blades are quite sharp and the handles are nice and sturdy. Each chisel comes with a safety cap and they're designed for use on soft wood. However, they're not professional level quality. At number 9, with 17 total pieces, including a flat knife, an oblique knife and a triangular one, the Mother Tools provides plenty of options to help you take your hobby to the next level. It contains a lightweight, durable storage case for transporting your gear. It also comes with 4 whetstones and can be used on clay and cork too, but the blades may chip with extensive use. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The blades that come with the sunreek sculpture are pretty sharp right out of the box, but you may need to sharpen them a bit if you're doing some extremely precise work. They vary in length, which is helpful for taking on a range of woodworking endeavors. The set includes an elbow arc knife and comes with a total of 8 tools. However, the blades can get a little loose. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for wood carving sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're in the early stages of exploring a new hobby, the Flexcut SK5 comes with everything you're likely to need. Its handle can be fitted with any of the 10 interchangeable blades, and it even comes with a block of wood to help you get started. The blades are easy to switch out, and the instruction manual is very detailed. It includes a handy roll-up storage pouch. Moving up our list to number 6. The tools included with the Shinwa Power Grip are a convenient size for precise work and fine details. While they're smaller than most full-sized hand carving equipment, they're still large enough to deliver power and accuracy at the same time. They feature strong laminated steel blades and comfortable grips that prevent fatigue. These can be held like a pencil. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Exacto Deluxe comes from one of the most trusted names in precision tools, and this versatile, affordable set lives up to the brand's reputation. You can mount any of the 15 blades, routers and gouges to a single handle that's easy to weld. It comes with a heavy-duty saw blade and 4 separate routers, along with a magnet that keeps the blades in place. At number 4, the tools you'll find in the Longhouse Woodworking are suitable for both carpenters and artistic folks alike. They're precise enough to be used for decorative carvings, yet they're durable enough for work on a job site that requires more force. They come with a sharpening stone, a honing guide, and a well-organized storage case. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If meticulous details are of the utmost importance to you, check out the Sorby Micro. Each of the 12 tools is compact at 6.5 inches long, which allows you to be more precise than you would with full-sized chisels. Each cutting edge is honed and buffed for sharpness. They feature rounded, easy-to-grip handles, blades that are resistant to rust, and they're both sleek and attractive in appearance. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for wood carving sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, every piece in the Flexcut Deluxe fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, which is great for those long carving sessions that might result in soreness or cramping with a different model. The kit includes 3 sizes of gouges for a variety of applications. It all comes in a handsome wooden storage box and is made in the United States. It's suitable for lefties and righties. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the 2 Cherries 12-piece is a logical choice for the professional craftsman looking for a long-lasting set. These tools can be used for furniture making, artwork, or for finishing details. The steel blades are heat-treated so they'll stay sharp longer than most knives. Their octagonal handles prevent them from rolling around, and they're handcrafted in Germany. They're light and well-balanced. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for wood carving sets, or simply click beneath this video.